Morning. Bit of a colder one out there today, certainly compared to much of November so far. Certainly in the east as well. Further west, it's another wet start, and that rain pretty heavy in places, parts of Wales and Northern Ireland, because it's been so wet recently. That rain falling onto saturated ground could cause some further issues. The rain gets heavier through the day across southwest Scotland, and then another pulse of heavy rain comes into parts of southwest England. So we have a number of Met Office yellow warnings in place. Disruption to the local public transport network is possible. Apart from the odd shower, much of the Midlands, eastern England will stay dry but fairly cloudy. Brisk wind coming up from the south, really quite gusty at times around the coast of Wales and southwest England. But northern Scotland, pretty cold start here this morning, but generally staying dry and bright. But on the chilly side, 9 or 10, those temperatures close to average, but cooler than they have been. Whereas elsewhere, many places, again, a few degrees above average, 14, 15 in some places, but not feeling that mild with the rain and the winds in South Wales and southwest England. Very wet and windy end to the day here. Heavy pulses of rain, gusty winds for Northern Ireland too, and another push of heavy rain pushing into southern Scotland during this evening. The rain does move eastwards, but it tends to clear away from here quite quickly and then linger across northern Scotland through the early hours. At the same time, another area of rain coming back to southernmost counties of England. In between, it does turn drier and clearer. It's not going to turn too chilly, however. That mild air is still in place for most areas. We might dip down to single figures, so perhaps a little bit cooler than last night for Northern Ireland, but still nothing exceptionally cold. In fact, these temperatures closer to the daytime maxima. So a pretty mild start to Wednesday, which will be a bit of a sunshine sandwich, really. A much drier day for southern Scotland and Northern Ireland. A wetter day for East Anglia and the southeast tomorrow. Outbreaks of rain on and off here, and the rain could get heavy again for parts of Wales and southwest England, so we need to keep our eyes on that again because it's been so wet recently. It stays pretty soggy in northern Scotland also, and look at where the winds are coming from here, down from the north, so it's going to be feeling pretty cold in northern Scotland. Temperatures 9-10 degrees, but add on that wind, significantly chillier, whereas in the south the winds continue to come up from the south, so quite a contrast between north and south, again with a bit of brightness. 16, maybe 17 degrees Celsius. But this zone of rain could be a little further north through Wednesday evening. One to watch, and there'll be further pulses of rain to come throughout the rest of this week. For your full day-by-day breakdown of the weather for the week, and watch our full week ahead video with Aidan that we recorded yesterday. Again, that's on our YouTube channel.